Okay guys, once again it's midweek and I'm trying to figure out what to cook that's fast, yummy, and you can do it in about 30 minutes. Then I came up with the idea of these cheeseburger bombs. They are fast, delicious, and absolutely incredible, and the kids will love them. So let me show you how to do this. I'm going to start by adding a bit of oil to my pan. It's about a tablespoon or so. Then add in about a pound of lean ground beef. And I'm going to break this up and fry it over medium-high heat. I'd say for about 5 minutes, just until it's nicely browned. Now, I always use lean ground beef, but you can use medium. I'm going to drain this anyway. Now, I'm kind of laughing here, guys, because this is tagged as lean, but look at the grease that's come off this. I mean, some is good, but not this much. So I'm going to go ahead and drain this. Okay, now we're nicely browned up and drained. I'm going to add in a small red onion, followed by 3 cloves of chopped garlic. And I'll just saute this for a couple of minutes, just until that wonderful fragrance fills the air. Once the garlic is fragrant, I'm going to add in a couple of tablespoons of ketchup. Couple more tablespoons of barbecue sauce. This is my homemade barbecue sauce, but of course you can use the barbecue sauce of your choice. A tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I think I'm starting to do a pretty good job at that word. A really good pinch of salt. And of course some ground black pepper. And we'll just give this a stir until everything is nicely combined. Okay, I'm just going to kill the heat and set this aside, and we'll work on our dough. Okay, now let's open up our Pillsbury Country Biscuits. Okay, to assemble our bombs, I'm going to start by lightly flouring a surface. And grab up one of our Pillsbury biscuits. You'll get about 10 out of these. Set them on, and I'm going to give my rolling pin a bit of a flour here. And roll this out. And you're going to want this fairly thin, and I'd say about 5 or 6 inches in diameter is about perfect. After that, grab up the cheese of your choice and place it into the center. You can use grated, whatever cheese you like in this. Alright, we're going to scoop up a couple of tablespoons of the mixture. Place the mixture over top of the cheese. Grab up the edges. And we're just going to kind of fold and pinch this together. Something like this. And we'll just kind of give this a twist shot. It's just like kind of doing a steam bun type of thing. And there you go. Isn't that a cute little devil? And he'll expand once it's in the oven. And just set this aside on a sheet pan lined with some parchment paper, and we'll continue this for the rest of the biscuits. After that, I've got an egg white, so I'm just going to give this a beating. Give the top of the bombs a coating, just so they brown beautifully. Sprinkle some sesame seeds over the top so they look real bread and pretty like. To the folks on sesame seeds. Now into a 375 Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. And after about 15 minutes, just look at this, guys. Bun and bomb perfection. Oh, these look so good. Okay, let's just take a peek inside here. Look at these cheeseburger bombs. Just absolutely incredible, my friends. And of course, my favorite time, the taste test. So let's grab up one of these little devils. Actually, they look quite stunning. You know, I am shocked. I usually say, oh, these are so good. They are incredible. For a few simple ingredients, some ground beef, some cheese, and some Pillsbury biscuits. Wow. Oh, man. And of course, if you want the recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. Wonderful site, all kinds of cool stuff over there. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.